Ever felt truly connected to your game world? Late nights, heart racing, chasing victory with friends. But sometimes, something's missing, a deeper immersion. You crave clarity, comfort, and seamless connection. Imagine a headset that brings every moment to life. Meet the Logitech G ASTRO A50X. Check out the description for the best price on Amazon, designed for those who play with passion. A breakthrough in gaming audio and engineering. Switch platforms instantly with PLAYSYNC technology. Xbox, PS5, and PC connected all at once. No more unplugging, no more waiting. Just tap the on-ear controls and jump in. Hear every footstep, every whisper, every detail. PRO-G GRAPHENE drivers deliver unmatched clarity. Pinpoint your enemies, react in real time. Feel the difference. Precision separates winners from the rest. Ultra HD visuals with HDMI 2.1 pass-through. Experience 4K 120Hz VRR, smooth and breathtaking. Your game looks and sounds as it should. Broadcast quality mic captures every word perfectly. Communicate with your team. Lead with confidence. No wires, no limits, just pure LIGHTSPEED wireless freedom. Mix audio from 2 devices at once. Game on console, chat with friends on your phone. 24 hours of battery, play all day, all night. Magnetic base station keeps you charged and ready. No more worrying about power mid-match. Dolby Atmos and 3D audio for total immersion. Customize your sound with G-Hub and mobile app. Fine-tune EQ, mic, and noise reduction easily. Every session feels personalized, uniquely yours. Comfortable over-ear design for marathon gaming sessions. Soft, premium materials. No more sore ears. Flip to mute mic for quick, silent focus. LED indicators show your platform at a glance. Seamless switching, zero interruptions. Stay in the zone, never miss a beat. For streamers, pros, and passionate gamers alike. Every detail engineered for performance and joy. Remember your first win, the thrill, the pride. Now imagine reliving that every single game. A headset that elevates every moment. No more compromises, just pure immersive gaming. Your teammates count on you. Your gear should too. Feel the rush of perfect audio synchronization. See the action, hear the story, live the game. With A50X, you're never out of touch. Switch from Xbox to PS5 to PC instantly. Stay connected to your friends, your worlds. Every laugh, every shout, every victory, shared. Gaming is more than a hobby, it's connection. It's late-night laughs, epic comebacks, unforgettable moments. Let A50X be part of your story. Designed for those who dream bigger, play harder. Push your limits, break new ground. Trust your senses, trust your headset. A50X adapts to every playstyle, every platform. No boundaries, just possibilities. From solo adventures to team triumphs. Your journey deserves the best audio experience. Feel every explosion, every cheer, every heartbeat. Let your voice be heard, clear and true. Never miss a call, never drop a beat. All-day comfort, all-night endurance. Stay powered, stay focused, stay winning. Because every second counts, every sound matters. Step into a new era of gaming audio. Let A50X transform the way you play. Ready to level up your experience? Choose the Logitech G ASTRO A50X today. Check out the description for the best price on Amazon. Bring your games and your dreams to life.